Hello and welcome everyone. I am Shreenika along with my teammate Aaradhna here with an amazing project that could change the way we grow plants. Hydroponics. Back in our olden days, traditional farming heavily relied on soil as they provided the nutrients the plant required. But this method came with lot of challenges. The farmer had to add manure, plough the soil and irrigate it regularly and had to do a lot of manual work. The constant use of fertilizers and chemical pesticides would harm the environment and our health too. To solve these problems, hydroponics was discovered by William Frederick Ricke in 1937. This is a modern and an eco-friendly method of growing plants.
What is hydroponics? In simple terms, hydroponic is a way of growing plants without the use of soil. Now you might think how plants grow without soil. Well, plants don't need soil. Instead, they need the nutrients present in it. In hydroponics, plants are grown in water, which is enriched with the nutrients they need, such as NPK. The plants absorb nutrients directly through their roots. In this hydroponic system, the plants are suspended in the air and fine mist of nutrients are sprayed to it. In this hydroponic system, the environment is carefully controlled by monitoring the pH level of the water and temperature, which ensure the good growth of the plant.
Hydroponic systems. Nutrient film technique, shortly known as NFT, is a hydroponic method where plants grow in shallow channel with thin film of nutrient-rich water flowing over their roots. The roots absorb the nutrient and the oxygen from the flowing water, allowing them to thrive without soil.
This system recycles excess water, making it efficient and conserving resource ideal for growing greeny leaves and plants.
In fact, the model that we have made is based on NFT. The water from the reservoir moves to the plants in stage 1 with the help of a motor. The plants here absorb the nutrient from the water coming into them. After utilizing the nutrients, the water is then sent back to the stage 2 plants. The plants here take up the essential nutrients they need and sends the remaining water to stage 3 plants for the final nutrient intake.
After this, the excess water cycles back to the reservoir, creating a continuous, efficient method of nutrient delivery and water use. Besides NFT, there are other types of hydroponic system. Wig system. This is the simplest method where a wig draws the nutrient solution from the reservoir to the plant's root.
Deep water culture. In this, plants are directly submerged into the water which is enriched with nutrients and air pumps provide oxygen if necessary.
Aeroponics. In this system, plants are suspended in the air and fine mist of nutrients are sprayed to it.
Benefits of hydroponics. Hydroponics uses 90% less water than the traditional farming. Plants grown in hydroponics grow faster due to direct access to nutrients. Hydroponics requires no soil, which means no pests and no weeds.
This system reduces the needs for pesticides, minimizes labor and maintenance efforts for farmers.
Real-world applications. Hydroponics is used in cities and restaurants, occupy less space and provide fresher produce.
NASA researches on hydroponics to grow foods in space.
Scientists use hydroponics to research on plants and improve crop varieties.
Schools and universities uses hydroponics to teach sustainable agriculture, offering hands-on learning in plant science. In summary, hydroponic is a sustainable method that saves water, reduces pesticides and boosts up crop quality, making it ideal for modern farming. Innovations. Our innovations in these systems are that we use AI machines powered with solar energy to implement these kind of hydroponic systems.
Grafting can be made smarter using AI machines such as smart sensors, automated robotic injectors and robotic arms. Thank you.